Wabash low profile flatbed? You heard it right. This is real. My name is Ruben. I'm with Tarp System in East Dundee, Illinois. We're a trailer dealer, and here we're going to make a quick review of this 2024 Wabash low profile flatbed. If you were not aware, the brand Benson no longer exists. Now you're going to see Wabash on all the flatbed aluminum trailers and steel trailers. Now since 2023, Wabash is starting building low profile flatbeds, and I'll show you why this is a low profile and how they name it in the paperwork. If you've seen it at the other brands, they name it narrow neck. Well, Wabash is going to name it a reduced height, and here's what they've achieved with the reduced height. In general, majority of the trailers have a neck of 11 inches total. Now Wabash has made a neck that's going to be 9 inches. With the 9 inches, you gain 2 more for your inside clearance on your Conestoga. So this Conestoga, made by Tarp, it is 102 inches inside clearance. We're going to show you a few things about this 2024 Wabash. This has got a galvanized package, which it means it's got the galvanized fifth wheel plate, it's got galvanized suspension, and then galvanized winches on this side. Come on over and I'll show you more. One good thing about this low profile trailer is your winches can go right on top of your drive tires. If with the other trailers, because it's even 1 inch or 1.5 inches lower than this, you're not going to be able to put your winches right on top of your tires, and your sliding winch, it's going to stop somewhere over here. It's going to be blocked. But this is a little advantage that you get with this trailer. This is equipped with a aluminum joist landing gear, which has got a 10-year warranty. We've got the control for the rear axle slide. Right in the middle, we've got the coil package. This is rated for about 51,000 pounds in a 4-foot area. We've got a nice toolbox with the cam lock. The suspension, in comparison with the other manufacturers that build a low profile trailer, the suspension, it is standard. This is a galvanized Hendrickson suspension, and we were able to reduce the height a little bit from the regular. We used a little smaller tires. Those tires are used specifically and in general for step decks. The size is 255, 70, 22.5. This has got aluminum wheels on the outside and steel wheels on the inside. This is a setup for rear axle slide, California legal. Now, as you can see, it's in tandem mode. It's going to be California legal compliant. Whenever you're going to slide it open all the way, you're going to have a 10-foot spread, and you're going to be 40,000. You're going to be able to hold 40,000 pounds on the trailer itself. We've got mud flaps on the rear axle only. We've got a standard bumper with those oval lights that Wabash and Benson are known for. On the other side, we put the crank handle where you can lift your back tarp. And then we've also got a strapped high bar underneath, where when you come with your flat hook straps, you can hook it up from here. Everything else pretty nice and neat. We got 5 lights per side. Again, the biggest advantage is the inside clearance, and let's go inside and I'm going to show you how that looks. This tarping system by Tarp, it's called Fastrak 2. It is equipped with a man door, chain racks, and chain trays. Now, because this is a custom unit, it is considered a custom height. And not only you get the extra clearance inside, but TarpStop will install on any custom height unit a corner reinforcement. As you can see, it's got a sandwich with those corner reinforcements. And this helps the entire system stand longer, and those cast corners are not going to rub into the aluminum so bad that you're not going to have damages. How do we measure this inside clearance? So we're going to take from the floor to the bottom of the bows. Here we're going to measure the front bow. We're going to go all the way in the floor. Here we go, all the way in the floor. And as you can see, this has got just a little over 102 inches. So if your load is going to be 102, it is going to fit inside. And just to make sure that this 102, it's all the way in the back at every bow. 102 here, all the way in the back. So if you need a section for this tarping system, you got to call us with the serial number that you have in the front and the bulkhead, and then we're gonna order and get you a section specifically for this size. This trailer is equipped with anti-skid floor, so your load is not gonna slide on it, and it's got J-hook tracks on the side and in the middle. It also equipped with 3 wood nailers. If you need to buy this trailer, or if you need a tarping system, if you need repairs, if you need toolboxes, ramps, or cargo equipment, don't hesitate to give us a call and talk to one of our salespeople. Also, if you like this video, give it a like, share, and subscribe for more.